In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQ in Shopify product page. We'll walk through logging in, opening your theme editor, choosing the right spot on your product page, adding the FAQ section, and saving your changes. By the end, you'll have a clean, expandable list of questions and answers right where customers need them most. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and open Online Store. This is where your themes live and where all visual changes to your storefront happen. If you manage multiple staff accounts, make sure you're using an account with permission to customize themes. That will ensure you can edit and save without any hiccups. Inside Online Store, find your current theme and select Edit Theme. Depending on your Shopify version, this may appear as customized, but it opens the same theme editor. The editor shows a live preview on the right and a list of sections on the left. Use the page selector at the top to switch the preview to a product page template, such as your default product or the specific product template you use. This matters because you want the FAQ section to appear on the product page, not on your home or collection pages. With the product page visible, decide exactly where the FAQ should sit, often below the product description or just above reviews. Click Add Section in the left panel. In the search field, type FAQ, then select the FAQ section from the results. Many themes provide this as an accordion or collapsible content block. After adding it, you'll see placeholder items you can edit. Keep each question short and customer focused, and write clear, direct answers. Group related questions together, and use plain language to reduce support tickets. You can reorder items by dragging them so the most common questions appear first. If your theme allows, add icons or headings to improve scannability. When you're happy with the setup, click Save in the top right corner. Give the preview a quick check on desktop and mobile to make sure the spacing and toggles look good. If nothing updates at first, hard refresh your browser or clear cache to load the latest theme changes. If you work on an unpublished theme, remember to publish when you're ready so customers can see the new FAQ on your product pages. That's it. You've added a helpful, conversion-friendly FAQ in minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy building.